Hey, it's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment, and today's videos you'll see beside me we got special guest Kyle Mainville. We're going to hop in this RTV 850. We're going to pop out there, talk about things more or less. We got a couple topics to discuss. We thought it would be a little bit more exciting, different than sitting in an office and doing it. So stick with us. We're going to jump into this 850 and go for a drive.
Of course, a working farm. So.
Yeah. We'll go visit all the locals and see what's going on.
Yeah, so there's always work to be done on a farm, as everybody knows. So as you can see, we got a U35 working away here, cleaning everything up to the fence line. So
just some build up over time, a little bit of growth.
That's right, yeah. So we got John Rooney doing what he loves.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Running equipment, looking good.
I see a Huckabones sticker right on it.
Hey, John.
Hey, who's this?
That's Kyle.
Hi.
Who?
Kyle.
Kyle
Mainville, how are you?
Good.
He does all our YouTube stuff.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, yes.
You're going to be on a YouTube video now. So.
Yeah?
You're going to be
He's
famous.
filming right now.
Yeah, good.
So it's
Listen,
going live.
is your dad home yet?
No, not till Wednesday. So,
Good. Well, you see, I was going to send you a text, but I thought I'd see you today. See those two?
Yeah.
And that one?
Yeah.
I've been 3 hours on those two stumps the other day, and I just got these out in the last hour.
Wow.
There's something I don't understand. It seems like there's not much power in this. Can they change the pressure or anything on that?
That's the operator. So.
No, it's not the operator. It won't break those f***ing stumps.
Oh, don't worry. I've got you. I'll let it.
I just don't understand it. Look, over there, there's a root, that round root.
Yeah.
Nearly upset the thing trying to break it.
Yeah, so the problem with it is the bucket's too big.
It-
I ordered that. Everybody makes mistakes. I made one.
Yeah.
It should be an 18-inch or 16-inch bucket on that, not a 24. So that's actually for an 040. So your prying
okay.
force isn't there the way it should be.
Like I said, I'm not. I and those three were together, as you see, by the fence.
Yeah.
The other day I got so mad here. I said this is unbelievable. And since I got here this morning, I just got that out now.
Yeah. So,
Anyway, the rest is easy going here, but you can't even get under the roots. You know what I mean?
Right.
All the roots come down, and you can't. Look at the size of the hole here to get that out.
Yeah.
Anyway, what a beautiful day for working.
that's right. Yeah. So keep you busy for a few
Okay.
hours.
Well, that's good. So
Yeah, you're working on week 3 and you're only gone this far. So.
yeah, but I've only been here for 3 days. What I'm going to do, listen, there's only one or more here.
Yeah.
There's not much along there. There's a
No.
lot up there.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back and
Go the other
get
way
this
then.
whole row cleaned up for sure.
Yeah.
At least to the corner, because down there,
No,
there's only the odd stump.
Yeah, you're good that way. So. Yeah.
Okay, what do you want me to do? Get back to work?
Yeah. So yeah. Sounds good,
That's
John.
good.
Okay.
Talk to you after.
Have a visitor.
Yeah.
So this is one of your family's fields?
Yeah, so it's right here to the dealership, so.
Wow, you can see Huckabones way out there.
Yeah. So,
Yeah. Great. So as you can see, all the stumps getting ripped out. I mean, for that job specifically, they actually make stump rippers and stuff
yeah,
for
sure.
that.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
Again,
Look at that.
I just want to tease him because like it's week 3, but he's actually only been here for like 5 hours. So.
Right. Yeah, totally. Because I'm sure it just slowly creeps in.
Oh, 100%. Like you can just see right here, right? Like there's the trees and everything right at the fence line, and they just come to the other side, and then it's part of farming, cleaning it up.
So the big hot button topic the last little while has been tariffs, and that's definitely cooled off since the last time we talked about it.
That's correct, yeah. So we had a conversation back in the spring whenever they first came on about what we were going to see and everything, kind of an update that way. Well, it was kind of a different spring and summer kind of idea, but now everything's kind of hopefully gone back to normal. There's no retaliatory tariffs in Canada on anything, so let's just hope that everything's back to normal, because it just decimated everybody's industry this spring, and in the turf side of stuff, because it was on our zero turns and on these RTVs, so sales went from something to nothing really quick.
Yeah.
Because of that, like whenever things went up 30%, that's what you run into. People say no.
customers were being careful, so were companies, Kubota being one of them. They saw the tariffs coming, so they just adjusted their prices.
That's correct, yeah. So they had originally, back when the tariffs, and we talked about it, they shipped out as much as they could to get everything across the border before the tariffs came on. As soon as they did, their orders were shut off. A dealer couldn't even order anything. You had to put in special requests. It had to be a retailed unit. Otherwise, it was not coming to you. So they made sure of that.
So we're in much better shape as far as tariffs go.
That's correct, yeah. And moving forward, it sounds like that's what's going to continue, and hopefully Canada and the U.S. can get back together and get along.
Yeah, because of course nobody wants this. Customers, businesses, like this isn't good for anyone.
No, it was terrible. Nobody won, and nobody will win
Right.
from here on out. So, and it unfortunately put a lot of extra costs on the customers. So, and needless costs. Anyway, that's
Right.
the topic of tariffs is not fun either way. But but moving away from it is between now and the future is there won't be any.
Yeah, perfect.
Won't be a
Good.
topic. So everything goes back to normal. Pricing comes down. On the topic of pricing and the tariffs, is Kubota did put up quite substantial price increases. What we're hoping to see is that comes down. That like these RTVs become back to normal. Same with those implements and stuff that were produced in the States, that they come back to zero with no price increases compared to what the pricing was this time last year. So.
All right, what else we got on the agenda?
We got new products. So I don't know if you want to lead into that.
Are they like preemptive announcements? Like this is or is already announced what products are coming out?
Nope. She's all a surprise.
Okay.
But they tell people ahead of time.
Okay, that's
Not-
right.
Select people.
It's
So,
okay.
yeah.
So what do we got going on? You're gonna have a dealer meeting?
Yeah, dealer meeting in Pickering, Markham there, which is, I should just say Toronto, right? So,
Right. And that's in October.
yeah, just after Thanksgiving. So, yeah, like the Tuesday after Thanksgiving.
So what do you think we're gonna hear about? What are some speculations? What are some things you're hearing?
Yeah, so fairly certain, pretty much guaranteed, because they've shut off ordering and everything for them, is the Grand L70, right?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. So yeah, they shut off ordering for that 6 months ago. We couldn't order any L60 series since back in the spring. So they've been they've been moving off the old inventory, preparing for this. They've already said that there's going to be new ones being built, that they're somewhere on the ground in the world, and that we're going to see them by Christmas. Is a new Grand L70 series. So I have minimal idea about what it actually is going to look like and be, but it is pretty exciting because the Grand L, the 60 series, came out back in 2013. So it's been a long time coming.
Isn't it already like a super loaded unit?
It is. So the best thing about the Grand L lineup is it always gets the newest tech that Kubota's been developing. So it's always what I refer to as the Cadillac of the Kubota lineup, because it gets everything, and then that filters down to the other units throughout the next decade. So what we see on the 70 series will be exciting because that's what's coming.
And we'll see it trickle down after that. So if
Yeah.
there's something in the Grand L you really like, you might see it in an LX model or something later, maybe?
That's correct, yeah, 100%. And it's something that, because Kubota developed it, sometimes you see it in competition later. Like, it's usually Kubota is one step ahead with the Grand L lineup, is all I can really say on that end. You're usually, say, neutral on that
So
end.
that's something to pay attention to this
Yeah.
October,
Yeah.
and we'll make a video for
Yeah.
that, of
Yeah,
course.
it's one of those things, like, even if you're not interested in the Grand L lineup or anything like that, it's just to see that tech, because that's what's coming to the Kubota lineup, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years down the line.
Awesome.
That's what you'll see.
You got all sorts of surprises on your property. Nice little spot. We could not have picked a better time to film this video.
I don't know, 8:30 this morning might have been better, but
Yeah. Well, sales guys are busy.
yeah,
You know.
exactly. Yeah, it looks like hopefully Brentley sells a GR. I got a GR sold.
I mean, it's a good problem.
Yeah.
A lot of times I show up to do videos with you guys and I just can't lock you down.
You love the food videos. You're like, oh,
Yeah, that's why I
this
work on
waits me.
Fridays.
Yeah.
If you guys don't know, on Fridays, Huckabones does a big barbecue on the Big Green Egg. They sell Big Green Eggs, and I made sure that I only work Fridays when I come to film, so that I get lunch. So it's a bit of a running joke that it's the only reason why I show up.
I try and book them on Wednesdays. It just never seems to work out with the schedule.
Yeah.
It's the most random thing in the world.
Yeah, only Fridays.
Well, maybe not. What's the worst? We just got to back up for.
I'm assuming you guys hunt back here as well?
Yeah, Kevin there, father-in-law. Yeah, he's got a stand just over here.
Wow.
He might even come out at it. See if we got room.
Hey, we're at. Oh yeah, I think so. You got lots on this side. We'll just sell it as a scratch and dent.
That's right. It already is. It's an 850.
Perfect.
It's already heavily discounted. So
There you go.
you can find me a buyer. That'd be fantastic.
Anyone interested? Leave a comment down below. Give us a phone call.
Yeah.
Everything's in the description. You can have this very unit that was famously in a video.
Yeah. Kyle will sign it for you. Somebody famous.
Yeah. I'm going to see if you can do this next topic while we're off-roading here.
Yeah.
What do you got?
So other new products. So the next one is fairly mundane and very much expected is the SVL 65. So very much the same idea as what we've seen with the Grand Ls. Is ordering has been very limited, if not 100% restricted. Reason for that is because they're coming up with something new. What do you think?
Oh, you'll make it. Just run over it.
This thing doesn't have much clearance, man.
Oh, it'll be fine. We'll handle that like a dream.
If it doesn't, it's on you.
It'll be funny for the video. Perfect. See?
Yeah.
So we're talking the Dash 3, right?
Yeah, so SVL 65s, they're a fairly new unit in the Kubota lineup. Like being new, or like again, I think they came out in 2018-ish. I could be off by a year there.
Yeah.
So fairly new in the lineup, but they're going to follow the same sort of ideas that the other ones did of becoming Dash 3s with that new tech in it.
Screen updates.
Screen update, nothing overly exciting, but
Flow control, I think.
Yeah.
These are things you'd expect because you've already seen them, and we've done
Yeah.
videos on the other Dash 3s.
yeah, we've seen them on the 97 and the 75, so just following suit, but it's nice that way that it's being updated. We're also expecting in the construction lineup as well, possibly the 33 being updated like the 040 and the 57, the 080 before that. So that's the two we're kind of hoping to see in that lineup.
Perfect.
New updates there. So nothing as exciting as the 75-3, but it's following along. So it's always good to see.
Someone like to do some Sawyer work?
Yep, John Rooney.
Oh, nice. Oh, I'm just realizing we're actually at the back of your property. Okay. And I think you mentioned something about the BX, one of the best sellers for Kubota, getting an update as well, possibly.
Possibly it's the big one. It's been communicated down the line that we are expecting the new BX. I'm assuming they're going to call it the BX90 series. I could be wrong. It could completely surprise everybody. But we are supposed to be getting that this year. So supposed to be announced at the upcoming event. We will see. But that is what they're supposed to be coming out with. I asked a few questions about what all are they changing and everything like that, and I got a very muted response back as to what is going to be happening. So they are keeping that tightly wrapped up as to what we will be seeing very shortly. Again, we're only a few weeks away. There will be a few people with a lot more knowledge about what is coming. But the one question I did ask and is not coming with it is a factory cab. So one thing that Coyote came out with, and I think it's going to be a good seller for them, and it looks like a nice tractor, is their equivalent CK lineup, I think it is. Equivalent to the BX is that it goes with a factory cab. Which is nice. So in that small tractor. Kubota is supposedly developing one. The response I got back was in 3 to 5 years. Hopefully we have it.
Right, but there's still aftermarket already.
There is still aftermarket. Kubota does make an add-on cab. but it does not have air conditioning.
Is that your cat?
That is my cat.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it is a killer. It caught a weasel on the weekend.
What?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah,
All right.
yeah. It is killer.
It's a great cat.
Super, super friendly, but look out.
So the BX, a bestseller. It's very economical, Swiss Army knife. Homeowners love it. It's what, like that 1 to 5 acre style.
That's
Mow the
correct.
lawn, load stuff, backhoe. It's great.
Yeah, it fits a lot of needs, whether it's BX23S or BX2380 or something like that.
Yeah.
It is Kubota's most popular lineup is the BX, so coming out with it is a big deal. So we haven't seen any changes in the BX lineup since roughly 2016-ish. Is whenever the 80 series came out.
And sales have not dipped on that unit. It's been great.
That's correct, yeah. So been very strong. So what they can develop to stay another step ahead, be interesting to see because yeah, it was interesting back when they came out with the 80 lineup. So to build on that is going to be nice. Hopefully there's a bump in hydraulic pressure, a little bit more creature comforts. Yeah, and hopefully not a price increase.
Well, that's the natural order of things, I
Seems to
suppose.
be that way, yeah.
If they come out with more to make it worth more, then hey, might be worthwhile.
Maybe. So we'll see.
Do you ever have a short drive to work?
Yeah. Ask me if I've walked it.
I heard you walked it once and never again.
Never again. Got rained on. It started raining right there, and I was like, "Son of a, I'm halfway." So yeah, that was fun.
All right, Chris, that was a conversation.
Yeah, that was good. So it kind of recaps some of the stuff that we've seen with regards to the tariffs and what we're going to be seeing with new product. And we're looking forward to really bringing that to everybody who watches this channel. That they're going to see some pretty cool videos coming up.
Yeah, so a little bit different, and honestly, I think it's a nice change of pace. We got out there, went for a tour. You've got a beautiful property, and I could see why you're so invested in in equipment. It sounds like you've got a lifestyle, and you made a job accordingly with your
That's
family.
correct. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
yeah. Put the young lads to work. So yeah, no, it's great. It's a lot better getting out here, having a conversation than sitting in an office talking about the exact same thing. So
Yeah.
enjoyed it a lot.
All right, you got to do your outro.
I gotta do the outro. All right, so if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please know below. Thank you.
Nailed it.
Yeah.